Welcome to Users Productions Unboxing StarkTex Tools KP181 Helping Hand. Need an extra hand to help you hold your workpiece when doing delicate jobs? This helping hand provides users with a clamping platform to do it all. Features 1. There are 6 freely movable ball joints. 2. All ball joints can move in almost 360 feet directions. 3. Magnifying glass can slide along center bar to accommodate for the exact location and the exact angle users want. 4. This die-cast metal base is sturdier than most other similar products in the marketplace. 5. Suitable for crafters, hobbyists, electricians. 6. Good for soldering work, making models or any other delicate jobs. Instructions. 1. Place helper on a level surface with good lighting condition. 2. Depends on the workpiece, adjust movable joints to clamp the workpiece securely with the 2 crocodile clips. 3. Depends on the task, adjust the magnifying glass in suitable angle. 4. Adjustment of the ball joints in magnifying glass can be done by loosening the wing nut and retighten again. General notes. 1. Although the helper has a sturdy base, do not intend to clip heavy objects. 2. Do not put fingers between the crocodile clips. 3. Crocodile clips may make light marks on soft surfaces or materials. 4. Do not over-tighten ball joints. 5. Do not leave the magnifying glass under the sun. 6. Avoid water and moisture if you are working with electrical equipment such as soldering irons. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.